integrates with SAP BRIM, digital payment add-on, industry-specific features,
aligned with their roadmap,
enterprise customers,
more value to our customers.
preliminary invoice, public cloud is public market.
Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode of Acuiti Talks, your go-to podcast to talk about business process transformation in the code-to-cash space. In today's episode, we are continuing our conversation with Souvik, the CTO at Acuiti Labs. In today's episode, we are going to be covering and diving a bit deeper into the features and functionalities of our code-to-cash customer portal. Welcome back again, Souvik. It's great to have you on board.
Thank you, Ria. Pleasure being here again.
So, Souvik, let's kick off this episode by talking about the features and functionalities of this product. And, who do you think are the customers that will benefit the most out of it? Like the type of industries or the type of businesses?
Sure. Let me answer your question on features and functionalities in two parts. Okay.
Right.
One, make it like the technical part of it, and then one functional part of it.
Right.
So if I look at the technical part of it, we have quite a few variants, right? So multiple variants actually. So we have one variant that supports SAP BRIM, which is on private cloud. We have another variant that is for SAP BRIM that is on public cloud. So many people may not know what is SAP BRIM on public cloud. So SAP has a code-to-cash offering comprising of SAP CPQ, SAP subscription billing, and SAP S/4HANA public cloud. And all these applications are actually on public cloud.
Yeah.
And that's called SAP BRIM on public cloud, let's say.
Right.
So we have two different variants. One is for the private cloud, which integrates with SAP BRIM, and then we have one variant on SAP. Is one variant for SAP BRIM on private cloud.
Correct.
Right now, the first one, the one that supports BRIM, that is aimed at enterprise customers, because SAP BRIM is typically for enterprise customers, whereas the other variant, it actually built to cater to mid-market segment,
Right.
because public cloud again is mostly for the mid-market segments. So these are two technical variants. Features and functionality wise, we are almost same. We provide some additional features and functionalities on SAP's on the private public cloud variants.
Yeah.
For example, purchasing a solution, like you can buy a printer, the associated services,
Right.
and then some warranty all together from the portal itself,
Yeah.
and then make the payment, and it will create the contract, your subscription contract,
Yeah.
and it goes on from there.
Right.
Whereas in SAP BRIM, we don't do that because we usually see the B2B contracts, those are created at the back end. We start with the contracts being created in BRIM.
Correct.
And from there, the rest of the features and functionality the same. Now, if we talk about the features and functionalities, what we provide is starting from customer onboarding. So customer can come onto the portal.
Yeah.
They can create their contracts.
Right.
They can purchase the products, they can purchase subscription, they can purchase additional services or warranties that the particular customer is offering. And once that is there, they will be able to view their subscription. They will be able to manage it from the portal.
Yeah.
Like they can pause it, they can cancel it, they can renew it. So all
Right.
these options are there. At the end of their subscription cycle, when the invoice is generated, they will be able to see the invoice. They can see all the line level details of their invoice. If they are not okay with particular invoice or particular line item, they can raise a dispute.
Right.
And then they can track their dispute that they have raised. Once the dispute is being answered,
Yeah. Yeah.
they will be able to see their response. And once they are okay with the invoice, they can pay that invoice.
Right.
We have quite a few payment gateway integrated already. One of them is Stripe, one of them is GoCardless,
Okay.
and we have integrated with SAP's digital payment add-on,
Right.
which is SAP's recommended payment gateway integration tool. So we integrate with SAP's digital payment add-on and SAP or DPAO, as they call it,
Yeah.
and DPAO in turn integrates with all the PSPs. So this is what SAP's recommended approach for payment integration.
Right.
So we have built that integration. As I said, right, we have a variant for BRIM,
Right.
and we have a variant for public cloud. So we are catering to the enterprise customers as well as mid-market segment.
Yeah.
The public cloud variant is catering to enterprise, and the public cloud is for mid-market.
Right.
That's pretty clear. But we have also built some additional industry-specific features for the for our customer portal.
Yeah.
And specifically for enterprise customers. For example, the customers who are using BRIM. One of those is like preliminary invoice.
Okay.
So typically in an enterprise landscape or in an enterprise environment,
Yeah.
they are dealing with large customers in the B2B
Right.
space, right? And they want their invoice to be first time right. So, and because those invoices are large in value.
Yeah.
And they don't want to create incorrect entries, go through
Right.
corrections. So SAP provides a preliminary invoice functionality. We have enabled that preliminary invoices available on customer portal. So when these preliminary invoices are generated, customers get notified, they can look at it. If they are okay, they can accept. That
Yeah.
in turn generate their legal invoice. They are not okay, they can reject it and raise a dispute at the same time. And once that is resolved by the end user,
Right.
it goes back to the end user. They can go and work on it, resolve it. And once it is resolved, the invoice is back again to their portal. And every time this invoice is generated, the preliminary invoice or the real invoice, there we have a notification framework that actually triggers notifications to let them know that their invoice is generated, or when their payment is due date is approaching 3 days before, 7 days before, they
Yeah.
get notifications and things like that. So we have enabled really rich features that is not really available in a generic portal,
Right.
which is not built for specific to quote to cash.
Right,
So
right.
yeah, I believe what we have got in this area, in this customer
Yeah.
portal space, is really fascinating. And that's the reason, as I was telling you, right, that every RFP we work on, every customer we talk to, they are very interested.
Right.
And we are getting a whole lot of opportunities in this space right now.
Right. That actually sounds quite extensive. So, how do you think that this portal can provide more value to our customers?
Yeah, that's really interesting. I strongly believe, we can position our any product or solution, or even our customers will show the first light of interest if they see a value.
Yeah.
And we believe there is a whole lot of value
Right.
in this product. So first of all, it saves their cost, to
Right.
be very honest, to start with. That's people are looking for the first thing, right? It is pre-integrated. It's already available as a SaaS.
Yeah.
So customer doesn't need their infrastructure. They don't need to have a team to build this portal. They just get it right out of the box that comes pre-integrated with their SAP solutions
Right.
in the backend. Now imagine if one customer is trying to build this, they will have to build a team. They will have to build a team that needs mixed skill sets, right?
Yeah.
They need some people from business who will give them the requirement. They need some people with UI,
Correct.
front end skill, back end skill.
Yeah.
They need to design on technology. They have to go for infrastructure. So there is a lot of operational cost
Yeah.
if they try to build it. Whereas we offer as a SaaS mode subscription. We are in subscription business. We offer
Yes.
our products in a subscription mode.
Right.
So it becomes their capex. So they just pay one single annual subscriptions, and everything is included in that. So that helps them, get started quickly,
Yeah.
as well as move from an capital expenditure to an operational expenditure model.
Correct.
And third thing is quick time to market. Even if you start this portal
Yeah.
project in
Yeah.
your organization, it's definitely going to take like something between 8 to 12 months at least. And that too, I don't think with that time,
Yeah.
they will be able to come up with a portal enriched with so many features and functionalities that we are offering.
Right.
So it helps. It gives them an immense benefit on TTM, like time to market.
Right.
They can go live in 2 to 4 months time with our product.
Yeah.
Whereas if they try to start build this from
Yeah.
scratch,
Yeah.
it's gonna take at least more than a year. I mean, that's what I think. And we have done some calculations on the cost savings. I don't want to take a number, but that's also not very less.
Right.
It's quite significant number
Right.
that they are going to save by
Mm-hmm.
going with our product. And last but not the least, they don't have the headache of maintaining it. It's provided as SaaS,
Of
so
course,
it is
yeah.
software as a service.
Yeah.
We own the maintenance of the
Right.
product. If SAP changes anything, new API comes in, there is a need for a new feature or functionalities in the product, we take care of it, we
Right.
develop it, and we deliver it. I can see like there are a lot of benefits for the customers and values for
Right.
our customers.
Right. Right. And Souvik, do you want to tell us how closely we are working with SAP on this, and are we aligned with their roadmap?
Yes, of course. Of course, we are aligned to SAP's roadmap, and we are working very closely indeed with
Right.
SAP. Our products are sold from SAP Store
Mm-hmm.
by SAP account executives. So we are very much aligned. We are in continuous communication with them.
Yeah.
Whenever we develop something new, features or functionalities, we keep them updated.
Right.
We organize time to time demos to keep them updated on what you have done so far,
Correct.
what you are doing. We
Yeah.
also take feedback from them, like what a customer may need or what customers are looking for in the portal.
Right.
And SAP does provide us that. So we are very much aligned. Technologically speaking, we are right now live on SAP BTP, which is SAP's cloud offering, or like public cloud platform offering, where SAP wants all their products and services to be offered on BTP. So we have already done that. We are
Yeah.
there. We are also integrated with SAP's digital payment add-on, which SAP recommends to use for integrating with any payment gateways.
Right.
And we are also adapting all the new APIs that SAP is releasing on their products and solutions. So
Yeah.
every time SAP is coming with new APIs and all, we always see the fitment. If that is relevant for customer portal, we
Yeah.
try to adapt to those APIs and we include them in our product.
That sounds great. Thank you, Souvik, for giving us such great insights today. I think we covered a lot of interesting topics that would be very beneficial for customers looking to transform their quote to cash journey. So, again, thank you for being here and a part of this series. And we can't wait to have you back again sometime soon.
Thank you, Ria. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure being here. And I really hope that with our products and solutions, we are being able to help our customers and make them successful in their transformation journey.
Right. Thank you, Souvik. And thank you to you, listeners, for being a part of another series of Acuiti Talks. We'll be back again soon with another exciting episode. Till then, thank you.